Water. Water is the source of life. And in the city water, they place fluoride. Fluoride is poison. It calcifies your third eye, leaves you spiritually blind. Believe in the lies they sing on the news, where they sell you that fear. Year after year, shed tear after tear of holy water, offered to angels with broken halos, bent over smoking those cigarettes. They give you fast food that makes you sick, take away your rights but you don't notice it. A street full of people on their cell phones, looking at Facebook but they all feel alone. Go to school, learn all the rules, graduate wondering what you gonna do, and will there be a place for your kids to live? Now maybe you're making minimum wage and your college loans remain unpaid, and you don't like to think, you'd rather drink. Distracted, numb, dumb and afraid is how the road to fascism's paved. By the time you know, debt enslaved, feel the rage. With a little to lose, you might choose to behave like just another day. As the climate changes, water levels rising, storm on the horizon. It is getting hotter and hotter each and every year, and it is getting harder and harder to find an open place past those fast foods and those big box chains where they sell you disposable satisfaction. It is addictive, but not long lasting. You know that plastic manufactured in China that makes you feel fine, so you want to buy more in a process of consumption that is destroying this planet. The city is sick, it needs to be healed. The earth is sick, it needs to be healed. We are sick, we need to be healed. It's time to heal, it's time to heal. For real. The city is sick, it needs to be healed. The earth is sick, it needs to be healed. We are sick, we need to be healed. It's time to heal, it's time to heal. For real.